So hello everyone, in this video I'll be sharing these tools which we need for the development in MERN Stack. So first tool is, or the first software is Visual Studio Code, which will be our editor in which we'll be writing all the MERN Stack code. This is a very great this is a very great software for writing code in web development or in other technologies. So you can install this by going into their official website, which is code.visualstudio.com/download. And in here, you can download and install this software according to your machine. For example, if it is Mac, you can go with this. And if it is Windows, then you can go for this. Similarly, you can go for this if it is Linux. After that, you can install in Windows. Just press next with the default setting. Then that will be installed actually. So this is very easy step. You can do that. After the Visual Studio installation, you need this Node.js environment because we need this environment to write JavaScript code, because we cannot write any JavaScript which can run outside the browser without this Node.js. So that's why we need Node.js environment to run JavaScript framework like we are using. Actually, MERN Stack is basically JavaScript. All the JavaScript is there. So for the React.js, we'll be using JavaScript code because React.js is also a framework or a library for like user interfaces, but it is built in JavaScript. So that's why we have to write JavaScript code. So to work with JavaScript code locally, we need this Node.js environment, and also for building our backend server, we'll be using this. But that's why we need this environment. So you can install this according to your machine. For the Windows, if it is Windows, you can go for an MSI file and you can install that. And if it is Mac OS, you can go with a package file, then you can install that. So after the installation in Windows, you just have to add this into the environment variables. So that will be just the path of the bin folder of Node.js. If you don't get that, so I have already created the video for that. So you can see in the playlist of CodersArts, and then you can take an example, or you can search for like how can we add environment variables for Node.js in Windows. So after that, after the installation, you have to do that step, that extra step for adding that into the environment variables, so that you can access the command everywhere. So after that step, you can able to write this command like node dash v. That will give you the version of Node.js which is installed. In my case, it is 14.17. And after that, if this command is not like applied, or if it is not working, this command is not working in your computer, so you can add the Node.js into environment variables, because that's a necessary step in Windows. So after that, that will be installed, then we are ready to go in MERN Stack. We can start our MERN Stack journey, and we can start writing code in MERN Stack. So in the next video, I'll be telling you how you can actually write your front-end application or the front-end code in React.js. We'll be working on a project, and then we'll be learning side by side. So this is a project-based learning tutorial, you can say, in which we'll be creating a blog application which consists of the front end and the back end, both the things. First, we'll be creating the front end, and then we'll be going with the back end. I'll be making you understand all the terms or all the technologies we'll be using meanwhile. So this is it for this video. I hope you understood something. Make sure you install both these softwares. We'll be meeting in the next video with React.js introduction. Let's meet in the other one. Thank you for watching.